Raskuuku be tunan kupon. Raskuuku. Besi masa, beto nko na mama dawo. Me tunan kupon. Raskuuku, I come down for your level. I come down for you. Unko ade. Unko ade o ka say me. Lada no, me mama lada e nkwasa nyom. Wo betu lada. Atutu puom gaja si nyo bia. Aba compare lada. Ye ko obi okenya mesem ne ye ko nyame fie. Basim yanko na ha nya de bi nwati. Dum so oshu bebrebe akeka magana nya de bi nwati. Fa olada. Wo de ba compare gaja si nyo bia oh. Ah, please. Say the pressure tiwa me so kofa iduro konom na wonto. Anyu the pressure na tiwo. Dini asem. Oh, enyum de wow hate was no. When e kan wasem. Mini ashelif by bobo second sem or first sem. Enyum bia kodan na woso. To ne bo ne din. Ti that time me rezi me dance no. Dance or comic more than tonic or say prophet anointing kwa no further match black them black mana champion then work or willy champion Jimmy don't try me Weezy Jimmy na lalai or say commando back how dare that time no and a year what was that almost 2 years ago na cover the crown my I feel na balance I say me magusin into mental me movie mu my manu na nyu my man come hate more than 8 as 10 and I want music. If you believe yourself as a musician, come the moving field. Never say wait to atia. What's Yankasi yensi mo kwase well into come the movie industry to shoot the movie. If you have your money, you can come to shoot the movie. You can cost start to pay all the stars. And so you can never stop the movie actors say more money. I don't call him. You are coming there. They say like TikTok, and now they are. Anybody can come to talk to do a video to do create the content. For now, all the stars we are all moved there. TikTok, you say you're hot. Boy, you put on your TikTok. Yeah, we are not go there to fight. We are not go there to competition. No, we are in the TikTok to promote ourselves. The music too and everything. 18 piece, Mr. Raskuuku, please. Minu nyasem. Besi me dance or ken. One tia say shut am coin. Stone me kan on ko na beka so the pressure chill o bon you fa. Masa. Wan ka sa kwa what's herbalist? Usu batete ha ma kwatete. Kwatete ha ma onyu. Oh, ni kwata. Hey, please don't try. Don't try. Now because say me for enyu pe Ghana ha. Enyum tin obi obon ma the whole Ghana e bona so dem baby a ladder. You can go and check. Every church here born ladder, you konya me fie please. That's the good song. That's the nice message to the youth. Now pum. Gaja see you obi a we ye no. Gaja see me obi a ye no. Gaja. Ho ti me ba kwon to me ba. Please don't try to come to don't bring yourself. Anybody am the fan inside there and talk my what they say me go in movie industry. Bang ba kugwa different bang you know. I say no be anya hate also wunya bi entinyi enkasa nyimagu wona nyimagu amount please masa don't try kwa share we am me say we me mo help life me no bo dance na hade be ka me ntia we awo nyimagu me say me one me movie actor I just do the song with my fans me ka ekes ne se be me fast be nya ne je o bibia mu ti me bibia me wom o te se unti me film ade amaje Vodafone Music Award hwan anti no me hwan he award my head and head bet 20 award na win no na o sanga Satan stone be enfi man ka o wonya sa award no o bon pa na eba mu sa wo gibi ya nya so wo de na market wo de tika asoro award na yira na yehu capital place. Okay, you are failed, no? You are failed when one award. If you count my moving side, I have award more than 20. America award, UK award, and Ghana movie award, and Ghana Kumoda award, baby. But what the? What do you want to essential about? I don't want them fancy. What do you? Meso se kakra bi dufu omenie okoko dufu omenie mapum the chicken avatar edmoni sero sum takrache everybody right fire throw fire for me and tag Raskuuku try try to fire more fire tag Raskuuku poem music I comment no poem music onya head poem music dan montage Raskuuku mama say wa ukura nkaye hwe obaka me say me bonim phone anyo phone onu phone peja Ghana photo o peja no phone na fansa so na wansra ho krampo no se man fotie na lada Benedita mama utuyo minyawa mama nonting awi ye koko marity tongani di over to how dare you to talk anyhow please if you have the press go Kwalebu or come to Kumasi and go and see your doctor to give you a drop or give you some drip to what I say. Dance on me count, but don't want the material dance home. Raskuuku, Montagano. Dance on and count, but don't want dear. Dance on it, don't want dear. Bet my 12 because why am I bet my 20 becomes 9. This song, beside a good baby, go and check the quality video, but how about the same dance on featuring Kufmole Article 1 Calibos. What I say? Who that person makes a mobile stick on Instagram. The woman post a video, but I will not come to live to do a live video. But today Sunday weekend, I just come live to make our fans happy here, and I'll pride the Raskuuku, the dancer, the fogger, the dancer, and dancer, destroyer, dancer, Raskuuku, poor music. He destroyed the dancer. That's why dancer going down. But I'll make sure to push dancer to different level. You know, I'll do the dancer support the dancer people. Stoneboy, Samini, Shatawale, episode Jupiter. We all did to push dancer to go to different level, to go international. But Raskuuku from now, I'll take you out from dancer to put you into the herbalist, or put you into the kinke song, like Patapa songs. I'll put you into Patapa friend. I'll put you into Patapa to do the same songs with Patapa. But we are the dancer killers, and you come to hip life or Afro pop or drill. We are not drill people, no. Don't come to drill, no. Drill, DRIL, drill, no. Please don't come there. Please, poor music. The ones now, you can the song, you know. Unya scared already. Yeah, of voice said that, I might hate you. Of voice said that, and first come back. When the depression, go different place to find a doctor to make you medicine. But me myself, I'll make sure today, tag him or tell him, say you, I'll move Raskuuku from down south to go to Patapaa songs. We are the down south kings. Shatawale, Stoneboy, me myself, episode Jupiter, we push down south. We push down south. We push down to different level, to international. Raskuuku, we are no more in down south. Me, I will resign you from down south because you are depressed. No? You know me, video. Put your money into the music, your song, invest your own, your talent. But if you get money, you chop. You looking someone to invest your songs. You don't have good songs. Please pass away. You look like Herbalist. But watch that Monday. Watch that. Tomorrow is a Monday. I have an international match on TikTok. Please, if we're here, if my fans, if you're my friend, please. Tomorrow is a Monday. I have a match evening, 9 p.m. The match starts 9 p.m. I'll come live 8 o'clock or 8:30 to interact with my fans, to prepare the time we start the match. Please, everyone we're here, come into talk to support me. If I gifter, if you not gifter, come and tap the screen for me and share the likes. And any gifter, please come to me tomorrow to support to win this match. It's my first international match. Please, come on and follow me on Twitter. Hey, follow me on the TikTok. Weezy, official Weezy on TikTok. Follow me. This is my this is original page. People use my name to create TikTok. Please, I come to create my own official Weezy on TikTok. Follow me and support me. Okay, we are on TikTok to promote ourselves, moving the songs. We all go there to promote our songs. That's why we all moved to TikTok. We are not going to there. We are not going to fight. We are not going to no. We are going there to promote our songs. Yes, because yes, I am called Inyamu being to I love you. Yamisha next Sunday. Oh, Castle, Yamisha, one Castle, next week Castle. Benyamisuna, what you were such a waging, Belanwasi, Monica Sanyade, Bunipa, what's in Monisha war. Then God can take you far away. That's why God take me too far away. When you talk about me, I'm going far. If you not talk, I'm going far. When you talk, I'll go far more. God bless you. I love you all. Thanks. If I'm a man in life, I'll come up bomb.